So as far as looking for a good quality technician to join my team, I'm always looking for somebody who has the care and concern for what they do. I mean, it's the biggest aspect of what it is that we're doing every day is making sure that we're bringing the vehicle to pre-accident condition, but a lot of what we do you can't see. So having somebody with integrity that is going to take care of all aspects of the repair and somebody that I can trust that's going to do what is needed is very valuable to me. So we have a really good relationship with UTI, the Sacramento campus in particular. We use our recruiting department through UTI to acquire new technicians that are graduating from the Sacramento campus and they actually end up in whether it's our detail department, our paint department, or a body apprentice and work their way into the industry starting from the ground up. And it's a great opportunity for them to be a part of our organization. Yeah, I would say there's always a large demand for collision techs. Our industry is constantly evolving, and as vehicles get more technical and it takes a lot more time to repair vehicles, and so there's always a need for good technicians, and as we grow we're always looking to add people to our bench, if you will, so that we have a strong group of people to plug into future opportunities as we expand our business as well. I mean, the collision industry is very important and it's constantly growing, and it's been around since cars have been on the road. So as there's more population and more people driving, there's more accidents and more need for vehicles to be repaired, and our industry is constantly growing. We grow year over year, and there's a constant need for future employees to help us expand with that growth. Advice I'd give to somebody who's looking to be employed with Cook's Collision is to put yourself out there. You know, I mean, when you give us everything that you have and show that you want to be the person to excel in every aspect of your job, we're going to give you everything you need to succeed in that extent. You know, whether it's additional training or anything that you need, we're going to provide that for you so that you can be successful.